back from SEMA at Audio Motorsports, and it's a busy day, Saturday. Let's go ahead and show you what we got. Starting with a Supra, baby. We got Kike, master technician, grinding. Carlitos installing a dash camera, his specialty, running wire through looms. Really slick with that. In the house at Audio Motorsports. Old staff representing. Woo, check out this Corvette. Stereo and backup camera. And we got the biggest bad boy from Lexus. And it's already lifted. Getting a dash camera. 2025 GX 550. Alpine dash camera.